Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today I'm doing a Hawaiian-inspired lunch. We just got back from Hawaii and we miss it so much, so I wanted to do one that reminded me of Hawaii. A lot of the meals have papayas as like a side dish when we went out to eat, and so I'm adding the papayas first. I made flowers out of them, and then I'm topping it off with some dried blueberries. I'm adding my rice. If you want to see how I make my rice, it's on my YouTube. I'm adding sweet chili shrimp, and I also made some tuna poke and adding that to the bento box. We got these cookies from Honolulu Cookie Company, and these were limited edition lemon flavor. Also adding these sour lychee gummies. I'm adding some grass decorations right around the lunchbox and adding some sushi food pics on our poke. Now for the note, I'm writing, Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind or forgotten. And this is from Lilo and Stitch. Have a great day!